Hey, what's up, you guys? This is your girl, Bossy with Bossy Solutions. And today I have got an amazing video for how to properly use your credit card to build credit the right way the first time, okay? And the reason that I wanted to make this video for you is because I got an awesome comment the other day. On Bossy Solutions, we talk about business, freelance, and finance. And I've had a series of videos talking about bad credit cards. And I got a comment on the video that you see on your screen. And the person was asking me, they said, I noticed you said you usually don't carry a balance on your credit cards. Does that method still boost your credit score? And I thought that was a great question. So today I'm going to teach you why this is a good method to boost your credit score. Okay. So it's okay to not carry your balances. And in fact, I usually love to pay my balance off immediately or within the next days, because there's different factors that create your credit score. And so we're going to go over the 5 factors that create your credit score. Okay. All right, bossy gang, or boss gang, whatever. Which one do y'all like? Let me know in the comments. Are we the boss gang or are we bossy gang? Maybe I'll do a poll in the community tab. But anyway, there are 5 factors that influence your credit score, and I'm gonna go over those 5 factors with you right now. So the 5 factors that influence your credit score and make up your credit score and help the credit bureaus calculate what score they're going to give you are your payment history, the amounts you owe on your credit cards, the length of your credit history, how much new credit you have, and what the credit mix on your profile is. Now, I will have videos about the other 3 credit factors, but we're going to focus on the first 2 today because they're relevant to the comment, and they're relevant to the hack that I'm teaching you on how to boost your credit fast, okay? All right, so if you pay off your balance before it's due every month, that's going to help you with your payment history. It's going to show to the credit bureaus that you paid your balance even before it was due. And also it can help you boost your credit because it's showing them that you have the credit, but you don't need the credit. And that's one thing that you want to make sure that you're demonstrating to the credit companies. Even though they're giving you the credit, you want to make sure that you're keeping that utilization below 30%. I know you've heard that before. You need to keep it at or below 30%. And if you're paying the balance off every month, before it's even due, that's going to show them that, hey, you're going to be responsible and you're not you're not hard for cash right now. And, you can keep up with those payments. Also, if you max that card out multiple times in that month but pay it off, that's going to let them know when you go ahead and you ask for your credit boost within the next 6 months to a year. Because once you've had a credit card for 6 months to a year, it's okay to call your credit card company and ask for a credit boost. And when you do that, if they show that you've been paying your credit card off a lot and you've been maxing it out every month but paying it back every time that you max it out, it's going to actually look really good. And it's going to, when you ask for a credit limit increase, make sure that you get a decent increase, okay? So don't be afraid to max that card out. You can max that card out as many times as you want in a month, as long as you can pay it off before the due date. And a lot of people don't know that when you pay your card off before the due date on a lot of cards, that's how you avoid paying interest on your balance, okay? So a lot of people are afraid of credit because they don't realize that they're afraid of the interest. They're afraid of the APR. So if you pay your card off before it's due, you're not going to incur any interest on that balance, okay? So if you spend, basically what I'm telling you is there's 0% you're going to be charged on what you charge to the card as long as you pay the card off, okay? So say you spent $200 and you pay your card off before the due date, you're not charged any interest on that $200. You're just giving back that $200 that you spent. Does that make sense? Let me know if this is making sense to you. All right, so now here's your strategy that I'm going to give you. If you have bad credit and you're watching this video and you want to know how to boost your bad credit fast, and you've subscribed to this channel and you know that I'm always telling you about credit cards for bad credits, go ahead, watch my playlist, and get one of the cards for bad credit that I'm telling you about. Usually those are small limit unsecured credit cards for people with credit scores within the 500s. You're going to go ahead, fill out the application, get approved for one of the cards, and then once you get approved for the credit card, make sure you've got you've got the money, because those credit cards, they're anywhere, the limits are usually anywhere from $300 to $500, and you'll pay that off every month. And like I said, you can, as long as you can pay it off before the due date, max that card out as many times as you want. I suggest either the video that I made, I'll have the playlist in the description. So there's the Credit One card. I'll link it that in the description. I'll link the Credit One credit card in the description. I'll make it easy for you guys. Subscribe. I make it easy. I'll have the Credit One application, because that's a good credit card, and also the Merrick Bank credit card, as well as the playlists linked, and go apply. The reason I suggest those two credit cards, though, for the unsecured credit cards for people with credit scores in the 500s, is because you can pay your balance before 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I think it's Eastern Standard Time. You can make sure you guys look on the website, but they tell you on there. And if you pay your balance off before 5 p.m. with Merrick Bank, your available balance is available the next day. So that's what I really like about that. And then the same thing with Credit One. So that way you don't have to worry about it taking 7 to 10 days or however long it takes to do like a ACH wire withdrawal or any other payment methods. Merrick Bank and Credit One have the fastest payment methods, and they give you that available credit back the next day. So try those two credit cards out if you're going to go ahead and start credit hacking and boosting your credit fast. Okay, so because I help people repair their credit all the time. I've helped my friends and my family, and so that's why I started this YouTube channel, is to help more people get approved for the life that they want. And so get those two credit cards, make sure you're using my credit hacks, and start building your credit fast. Okay. All right, boss gang. I think I covered everything that I meant to cover in this video. I like to keep it short and sweet, but yet full of information. And, so I really, I'm just so thankful that you guys leaving comments and asking questions. Keep leaving comments and asking questions so that I can make more videos and give you guys more information and help you guys boost your credit fast. Okay. And with all that being said, listen, thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. And check out, one of these other videos. I have a playlist right here where you can check out more credit cards and more information for people with bad credit trying to level up their credit game. Okay, so comment below, make sure you subscribe. I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.